Racing just started with Magtotobetsky. Break quickly restart. Running by the release totally different. Phenomenal comes next. Rushing about the outside is Bonus. Bonanza Hills Magic in the middle portion. Polok Island Batang Heroes comes next. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Here I Am. Running by the release Kentucky Rain Bato. Racing second last, so while Scarlet Master is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch, two runners now party route for lead. Running by the release Magtotobetsky, and on the outside is Bonus Bonanza. Then here comes two Timer moving up in the middle portion. Running by the release totally different. Then next in line is Hills Magic. Phenomenal comes next, Bato. Then comes Kentucky Rain, alongside comes Batang Heroes. Next in line is Polok Island. Here I Am second last, while Scarlet Master is still racing in last. And ayan now, entering the home stretch, we have Magtoto Betsky, this time by about 4 lengths. Phenomenal now to take second. Two-timer shuffle back in third. Last 75 meters, we have Magtoto Betsky over Phenomenal, and finally Magtotobetsky. Phenomenal, then comes two-timer Kentucky Rain. Totally different. Hills Magic, Bato, Batang Heroes, Here I Am, Polok Island.
The outstanding favorite, entry number 6, that's Magtotobetsky with rider JB Guse. Our unofficial winner, Masa Segundo 7, Phenomenal 1, two-timer 4, Kentucky Rain 2, totally different.